Advantages and disadvantages of glass front door in your house. Dear friends, the entrance door is an obligatory element of the house, decoration, and protection from prying eyes. Glass doors provide a timeless look for any home. They are also very easy to keep clean and require little maintenance. Because of these factors, glass doors are a common option across homeowners. However, glass doors can also be quite expensive. Additionally, there are a few other disadvantages that prospective buyers should be wary of. Advantages of a glass front door. A glass front door is a great way to add curb appeal to your home. It can also help make your home feel more open and welcoming. Glass panels can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your front door. They come in various designs and styles, from clear to frosted or patterned, giving you a range of options to choose from. Glass doors are also very easy to keep clean. You won't have to worry about repainting or staining them like you would with other types of doors. All you need is a glass cleaner and a soft cloth to keep them looking new. Another advantage of glass doors is that they are good at insulating your home. This can help you save on energy costs in the winter and summer months. Disadvantages of a glass front door. One of the biggest disadvantages of a glass front door is the cost. Glass doors can be much more expensive than other types of doors. Another disadvantage is that glass doors can be quite fragile. They are susceptible to breaking if they are hit too hard. This can be a safety hazard, especially if you have small children or pets in your home. Glass doors also tend to show fingerprints and smudges more easily than other types of doors. If you are looking for a low-maintenance option, glass might not be the best choice. Overall, glass doors have their pros and cons. It's important to weigh all of your options before making a final decision. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.